Well, welcome everyone to the Recovery Alliance Initiative 7-County Summit. This video serves as a quick demonstration of the website, its functionality, and will hopefully introduce you to some tools that can help with the project management as you leave here today with actionable steps that will help progress recovery in your community. In order to find us on our website, just open up any web browser, and the quickest way is just www.recoveryall.org. That will take you to the website. Another way to do that, if you may not remember that, is you can always just Google Recovery Alliance Initiative, and it will be on the opening page. But welcome to the front page of the website. As you can see, there's all types of goodies on here, a lot of which you can find once you log on and get into the different functionalities as far as resources that are on the website. But just to give a general introduction, up here is a bar that can help you navigate. You can kind of read about what our mission, vision, and core values, who we are, our approach, kind of what we do. And then focusing here on resources, this is where you can really dive into what I was referencing earlier, the functionality of the website. So in order to do that, though, you do have to create a login, and I'll cover that really quick. It's actually very easy to do. If you slide over here to members, if you're not a member yet, you just got to click join. And this will take you to the page in which you register. And it's a pretty easy registration process. It will walk you right through that. Now, if you are already a member, it is also very simple. You just kind of slide down to log in, and this will take you, so you type in your credentials here, and takes you right into a very easy to navigate screen for members, in which you can use to help communicate with members of the team at the table that you might sit with today, or other groups across the state or within the region that you'll be able to help talk about, discuss, and really create the projects that you are designing here at the tables today. And then just to walk you through some of the functionality, if you go to groups, they're kind of arranged in various different types of groups. One can be the actual projects you're working on. As you'll see, one of the groups, as we load here, is going to be for the 7-County Western Summit. And what's available through there, and I joined a group earlier, so if I click on here and I'm a member of this group, what you'll see is an ability to really talk about things that are going on within this group, see some of the posts that have already happened. Nice little welcoming. Thank you, Deborah. But within here, there's a couple functionalities that are worth mentioning. As a member of this group, and in order to become a member, see where it says invite friends right there. Now, if you are not a member of the group, you can click join group. And sometimes you can set the group when you're setting up a group for different privacy settings. So if you want it to be open to the public, or if you want it to be private and invite only. However, this one was public. It's the 7-County Western Summit. So just to demonstrate kind of what you can do in here is a discussion, and what the discussion will do is add to the thread. And you can just click new discussion. I'm not gonna, this opens up a thread. So a particular topic that you want to discuss, just put in the title and then the message. And that kind of opens the doors for other members to come in on that discussion as well. And as you'll see in other groups, discussions have been open. In fact, let me back up and see if I can find an example of that. So if you look at all the groups that are open, you can see, look, new projects, Collegiate Recovery Project, that has a discussion. So let's see what the discussion is about. As we're waiting. And what we have in the new discussion is the project plan that this member has set forward for us. And so what this serves is it's just a great way to keep all the files stored, easily accessible, and in a format that all of the members at the table can really dive into. And it's not to replace any Google Documents or communication by email, but it's to help supplement that and make it easier for you guys, and also keep you engaged in the projects going forward. So it has that somewhat social media aspect, which that was intentional in order to keep up with engagement. Now, also within the functionality of being a member, you can certainly go in and just message any member that you want. So, for instance, I'm gonna just message Deborah here. All the great work that she does. I just want to thank Deborah. So this is. Our friend requested her earlier. I haven't gotten it back yet. Maybe by the time that the summit is, she'll be my friend. But so I click on Deborah, and she kind of sets up a profile. So like I said, the social media aspect, not only add a little bit of personality to your page, which is definitely something you can do as a member, but also maybe send some posts out, kind of targeted towards recovery. And so if I want to send a message, it's pretty simple. Oh, not thank. And there we go, and that will send, and Deborah will get that in her message. But this is also, this could be used in the purpose of not only to support each other as members of the initiative, but also communicate really relevant information into what the actionable steps are. And that way, it's a little bit more personable in that fashion. Now, if I go back to resource, and there's things like your inbox, events that are coming up, just to keep on top of the events. So the last thing before we close that I wanted to point you towards, and it is coming, is the SUD directory, which is on our website through a partnership with NC State. And here, if you click here, this will take you to the database, and there will be another video kind of really walking you through the database later on. It's still, we're just waiting on a few things before it is functional on the website, and of course it's going to be in development over the next couple of years. So I want to thank you all, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your work here at the summit and going forward. If you have any questions for me, my name's Andrew Long. Feel free to pull me aside at a table or send me an email, and I can provide that, and I can help answer any questions that you may have. All right, thank you. Bye.